Hey everybody, Sean from Iron Sword Spices, and I started a new subscription to Snack Crate. We're gonna see what they got. This month's Portugal. Let's check it out. Hola, Portugal. Boca Bits. Warm. Pandilla. Food. The healthy snack. Hey, there we go. Sumo. Ananas. Pineapple. Jelly bananas. Spaghetti. Strawberry, I guess. Burritos red and white. Oh, I looked fast. I thought that said with liver. About to put it back in the box. Chocomax. Like the sound of that. Toral Nougat. Little teeny tiny little guys in here. Little fruit. Yeah, they're like little gummy fruit strip things. Alright, let's check them out. Got their socials. Love that. Oops, your snacks are gone. Nutrition information, which we're going to not look at. If you don't look, it doesn't count. And we got Hola Portugal. Snack Crate. That's what we got in here. Oh, that's cool. It's got little facts about Portugal. Did you know? Oh, hey, this is cool. Bacalhau. Gross. Oh, and then it's got a little breakdown where everything is. Oh, that's very cool. Start with Hamon Portuguese prosciutto chips. Yeah, that smells like ham. Definitely smells like ham. Little ruffle, ridgy things. I'll be back. These are freaking delicious. So Ruffles, get your act together and put these in my local store. Don't care if anybody else gets them, just my store. Boca Bits. These Boca Bits, reminiscent of pork rinds. Alright. Super thin pork rind. Oh, they're kind of sweet. I didn't expect them to be sweet. Kind of. Yeah, you can bring these here too. I'll eat these. Fini bananas. Fini bananas. It's kind of fun to say. Not so fun to open. There we go. The mushy, marshmallowy banana thing. No fat. Yay for diets. No gluten. A butt ton of sugar. Super banana. Super sweet super banana. So apparently these are Vieira Maria. Like I speak Portuguese.
Vieira Maria.
And it says, whether you're having a quiet moment alone or sharing with a friend. We'll see. It's supposed to be like a shortbread cookie, cracker biscuit thing. Oh, there we go. Almost like somebody tried to make a shortbread cookie but use wheat bread instead. Get in, smarty pants. How do you say that?
Toral Nougat.
Is it nutty? Nope. No. Yeah, bro. Okay. I got like a sesame flavor to it. Pretty yummy. Different. Passion fruit, apple, watermelon, and strawberry. It says they're little fruit snacks. And we're gonna try the passion fruit one. Just, oh, they're not. They kind of felt like little gummy candies through the package, but they're not. They're like a little, almost like a little toffee kind of thing. Oh, that's sweet. Oh, good though. Those are tasty. The Cheetos Pandilla Ghosts. Sabor gusto. See, that's the rare occasion they look a lot. You'd think they'd be a lot smaller, but they're not. Yeah, it's kind of like a smoky, cheesy flavor to them. Very yummy. Okay. They're super light, crisp rather than crunchy. Nacional Chocomex. The tiniest little print right there says since 1849. So either they're doing something right or they're really stubborn. So I have a Portuguese person in my house. Could be either. Just saying. Yeah, so it looks like a chocolate cereal instead of like a Rice Krispies. It's got like a white chocolate on the bottom, maybe. That is a lot of chocolate. And not my name's not wrong. It's crunchier than I thought it would be. Vieira tartelettes. So I'm expecting a little shortbread cookie, maybe a little strawberry filling. There you go. Helps if you look through the camera, I think. Oh yeah. Yeah, tell me that doesn't look good. Like the filling is super sweet, but the cookie is absolutely not sweet at all. Haribo Pica! Spaghetti. Strawberry spaghetti. They're little. You keep digging around for like a really long piece, but they're tiny. Oh, they got a little, they're sour. Well, like some of the sour stuff that I've done on here, but they are pretty sour. Holy. It's only 84 grams of carbs for the whole bag. A little bit of sugar. The other Haribo goodie just says red and white. Let's see what red tastes like. Waxy flavored. They may well be red and white flavored. Yeah. These are a different little variety of stuff in there. The white ones are good. The red ones are and not. Dried pear. Says it's 100% fruit, so should just be dried pear chips in here. Oh, they're okay. They have skin on dried pear chips. Oh, good. It's a dried pear. Can't be that different, right? Bananas. Pineapple. Says it's been a favorite in Portugal since 1954, so that's 70 years. I'm gonna wash all the rest of that sugar down with some sugar. It's not sweet. Like, it's not really sweet. It's very, very lightly sweet. It's good. You can tell that that is real pineapple in there too, not like a flavoring of some kind. That is very different. I kind of like it. I could drink those. It has like a very real fruit flavor, which is kind of weird sometimes. Because you get like that kind of earthy flavor that comes with some real fruit stuff. But yeah, that's very good. Very cool. Went to Portugal this time. It was a lot of fun. Good stuff in there. The one or two in there were a little marginal, but you know, hey, that's what you're trying new things is all about. Make sure you like and subscribe. Like I said, this is a monthly subscription from Snack Crate. They're fairly affordable. They're a lot of fun. You should try it. Not paid promotion. I mean, if they wanted to, you know, would find me, right? But you can send me a couple freebies. It wouldn't be so bad, you know. You can put out the good word. And my channel is just massive at this point. So make sure you subscribe. Like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.